Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be making oven roast beef. Well, my mother used to make pot roast beef mostly on Sundays, but she usually make it in her Dutch pot on the stove top. Ooh, that was so delicious. However, I'm gonna make in the oven because it's easier and faster. So let me show you how I do this, and I'll list the ingredients in the description below. So I put a generous amount of seasoning on all sides. Now I put it in my glass bowl, cover it, and let it marinate overnight in the refrigerator.
And put it into the
I
oven.
preheated the oven at 350
Put it on
degrees.
second shelf. Okay, this is after 1 hour in the
So
oven.
this is after one
See?
hour in the oven.
Ooh,
It's
look
like
at that.
rare or medium rare now, but I like mine
The juice is
well
flowing out
done.
when I flick
So
it. I'm gonna put
I'm
it
gonna
back.
flip it and put it back into the oven for another 30 minutes. After the 90 minutes, I covered my oven roast beef and let it sit, let it rest for 30 minutes before I started slicing it. So I had this good seasoning and juices from the beef while it was cooking in the oven to the beans and vegetable. Okay, dinner is ready. This is our roast beef. Looking good. Smells so good. Tastes delicious. I also like to use slices of my roast beef to make a sandwich, lettuce and tomato. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.